Hi everyone, welcome to yet another video. This is a recap of the class number 5 for group 2 kids. Okay, so in this video we will learn to draw a picture by splitting it into simple forms. Before that we will start with some exercises for the hand. So if you have your page like this, just draw a line, the center, and draw 3 more lines on the top left. Now you can draw a spiral. You can draw 4 more here. So the next shape that we will draw will be a grass. So you can repeat the same. Now we will draw a very random shape. So without resting your hand on the table, just by having the contact of your pencil on the paper, you can draw a very random figure. Now I want you to draw over the same figure for 6 more times. Try to follow the same line and also try to do it fast. So this will improve your observation skills, also your mind-hand coordination. It is okay if it goes a little bit outside, but try to follow the line. Cool. Next we will do the same for a square. So without touching your hand on the paper, follow the square and draw 6 more lines on top of it. Next we will draw a circle and follow the line. It need not be a perfect circle, but try to follow the line that you have already drawn. Okay, so these exercises will help you to improve your mind-hand coordination, which will help you to draw faster figures with more accuracy and more realism. Right? So next we will go to our topic. So here we will be drawing from symbol shapes. So first we will draw a hen. For drawing a hen, I will show you a reference picture. So this is a hen that we are going to draw. So this figure can be divided into symbol shapes. It can be a circle over here with triangles on different parts of the hen. So I will show you. So first we will draw the body, which can be approximated as a circle. So first we will draw the circle. Now we can draw 2 triangles. This will be the tail and this will be the neck part. And you can draw the head, which is a circle, which can be approximated as a circle. And now you have the beak, which is again a triangle. So draw it very lightly, because you might and you will have to erase off some of the lines that are not necessary. So you can draw the triangles on the bottom for the legs. 2 triangles here. Now for this part of the leg, you can draw a small rectangle, or you can actually draw 2 lines here and draw 2 triangles in the bottom. Right, now we can modify this picture to make it look like an actual hen. So first we will start with the tail, or first we will start with the body. So you can erase off this line and draw a line like this. You can erase off the back of the tail and make it more natural. You'll add some feathers. Now you can join the triangle and smoothen out the curve here. Join it. And you can erase off the line in between. Now you can join the neck and the body, smoothen out the curve. And you can erase a line, erase a circle that was in between. And you can draw the feathers. Now you can join the head with the neck. So draw a line from here to here. And now you can erase off all the lines that are inside the neck and the circular part of the head. Right, now we can modify the head, the comb of the head, and you can draw the beak, draw a line in between the triangle here. You can draw eyes, and you can draw and modify, add details to the head. There you go. Now we can modify the foot. And erase off all the lines that are not necessary. So you can use a pencil eraser for this purpose. And also erase off the line here, because this is the leg in the front. Now you can draw the wing. So it's just a C-shaped curve, and then you can draw the feathers. There you go. Now you can darken up all the light lines. Since you have erased off all the unwanted lines, you can darken up. There you go. So you have your hen ready. So using simple shapes like circles and triangles, you drew this hen. So whenever you want to look at a drawing and draw it by yourself, you can split that drawing into simple shapes and then you can draw it, and that makes your drawing much more easier, and it will take very less effort. Alright, so next we will draw the sharpener over here. For drawing the sharpener, we will first draw a cuboid. So we'll start with a parallelogram. Right, so we'll complete this box. I'll extend it a little bit more to the bottom. Now you can draw this curved parts over here. So at the center of this edge, draw a curve, and also on the bottom, the center, draw a line parallel. Draw this line parallel to this line, and draw another line parallel to this line. So it will come like this. Okay. So again, at the center of this edge, you are adding another. That's too much. Curve. Okay, now we will add the hole for inserting the pencil. And you can erase off unwanted lines. And now you can draw the place where you have the blade. So you will draw two lines, one line over here and the other line over here. Now you can join them with a curve. And now you can draw two lines in between to show the blade. And you can insert a small oval shape to show the screw. There you go. So we started with a cuboid shape, and now we are adding details. Cool. Okay, now we will start with the shading. Okay, before doing the shading, we have these grooves over here, so you can draw those lines here. Okay, so first when you start shading, we will see where the light is coming from. So in this picture we are seeing the light is coming from here, so we will have the light coming from here. Is from the back. Okay, so you have these two faces that will be dark, and this face, this side of the sharpener will be light in color, so we are not going to add any shade over here. Okay, cool. We will start shading this side first with a medium tone. try to make it look even. Right, now you can shade on this side. I'm making this side a slightly darker in shade because I want to distinguish this side from this side, because I'm not adding a line in between. I want to make it look natural. So it's again in the medium, but it is a slightly darker tone here than this. Now you can darken the hole. It will be completely dark, so you can go with your darkest tone. Right, now we will shade the blade region. So I want you to draw one more line here, like this, very close to this edge. Okay, and I want you to shade it completely dark. Next, you can shade the blade. So this is the blade part, these two lines. You can shade it with a medium color. Although light is falling on it, if you notice the blade, it can turn out to be a little bit different from the rest of the body. So you will for now shade it with a medium. Now you can add the shadow. So it should be parallel to this line. Okay. And also parallel here. Now you can draw a line parallel to this line over here. Now you can completely paint it dark, shade it dark. There you go. So you have your shadow falling, and now you can erase off any unwanted lines that you have and make your drawing look neat. I'll just erase off the error of the light for now, because in the real drawing we don't show that. This is just for learning purpose. can darken out the grooves a little bit more. If you want to smoothen the picture further, you can use the cotton buds and then smoothen it out. This is not mandatory for now because you are learning a technique, but if you're smoothing it out, it will look more beautiful. So if you have shades going outside your boundaries, you have to erase it off. For example, I have some shade that went outside the boundary over here, so I will just erase it off. There you go. So you have the sharpener here. So we started off with the cuboid and now we have the sharpener ready. We learned about drawing from simple shapes. I guess you guys enjoyed today's video and I will see you guys next week. Stay blessed, stay safe. Bye.